Modern civilization trusts markets with survival. This is a category error. Markets are powerful tools, but they are not designed to manage planetary risk. Markets optimize for short-term returns, not long-term stability. They reward efficiency, not resilience. They price scarcity, not collapse. They respond after damage, not before thresholds are crossed. Planetary risk operates on timescales, and non-linear dynamics markets cannot internalize. By the time a risk is priced in, it is already too late. Climate disruption, biosphere collapse, water stress, and soil depletion are not market failures. They are market blind spots. Markets assume reversibility. Planetary systems are not reversible. Once ice sheets destabilize, they do not reform on market timelines. Once ecosystems collapse, they do not recover on quarterly cycles. This creates a fatal mismatch. Capital moves faster than planetary repair. Incentives reward extraction over regeneration. Short-term gains overpower long-term survival. Even well-intentioned market solutions fail under this logic. Carbon credits become permission slips. Offsets become accounting exercises. Green investment becomes branding. The system rewards appearing sustainable, not being sustainable. Planetary cycle theory shows that civilizations fail when governance systems cannot override extraction incentives. This is not moral failure, it is structural. Markets cannot voluntarily choose slower growth. They cannot choose restraint. They cannot prioritize future generations without external rules. This is why every successful, long-lived civilization imposed limits beyond market logic. Boundaries precede prosperity. Earth restoration requires a parallel system, one that treats planetary stability as non-negotiable infrastructure. Survival must be removed from profit competition. In the next episode, we will examine why sovereignty, not corporations or markets, is the only entity capable of coordinating planetary scale repair.